Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Descript for cutting video clips for LinkedIn, beginner guide step by step clearly. Type descript.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on sign up to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and create a strong password. Ensure your password is both secure and memorable. After filling in the required fields, click the Get Started button. You may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Descript. Open the email and click the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Descript website. Log in using your newly created email and password. Now, you will be greeted with a welcome screen. To explore subscription options, look for a pricing tab in the menu. Click on pricing to view the different plans available. Compare the features included in each plan to find the right fit for you. You will be directed to a payment page. Enter your payment information as prompted. Review your subscription details to ensure accuracy. After confirming the details, click on the Complete Purchase button. Your subscription will now be active. You can begin creating and editing your video clips for LinkedIn immediately. Familiarize yourself with the Descript interface to make the most of its features. Start by uploading video clips you want to edit. With your subscription active, you'll now have access to all the tools you need. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.